crypto token project. But before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe and hit the like button and keep supporting. Let's get back to our video. Today we are going to review a amazing crypto new project which is named as cutecat.finance. I will provide the website link under the video description. Let's know about CuteCat. CuteCat is a meme token made and managed 100% by the community, which has a set slippage rate of 9 to 12% for buying. You can have a look on their Twitter account. As here, this is the official CuteCat Twitter account. You can follow them and keep up to date with CuteCat. You can also follow them on Reddit so that you get keep up to date with these tokens with new news. You can also see the full audit which is audited by TechRate. You can download the PDF file also and have a look. Let's have a look on CuteCat. About CuteCat token, the CCAT was designed by the community and for the community. The name CuteCat was chosen because of the power of cute cats to bring together a community. We hope you will join the community on their SCAT journey. Furthermore, the CuteCat was developed in a way that ensures there is no rug pull or mass dump. The development team has resigned the contract and burned all the LPs for initial liquidity. No pre-selling and no team tokens, no devaluation tokens and 100% liquidity. If you want to buy case CuteCat tokens, you can directly buy by scanning this QR code, also by connecting your wallets, and you can check you check your tokens by connecting your wallet. The Furthermore, in the product and services section, they have provided the board development. If you have a group on the Telegram and need optimized boards, check their option. You can also check them and keep up with the CuteCat project by using their web development services also, which are professional and exclusive layouts for your project. Website is your calling card, so get help with the most experienced and better people. Furthermore, they are introducing charts in the market soon, which will be information about your token cryptocurrency on your website, exclusive layouts. And in the stats, you can see the total supply was 1 trillion, total burned are 561 billions, and the total circulation are 438 billions. They have 900 plus holders with a market cap of $2,193.42. The initial value is quite low on this token, so it is the best time to buy it. If you want to contact their website, you can directly enter your name, your email address and your message and click send, and they will get back to you as soon as possible. You can also join their other social media platforms for keeping up to date. You can also contact them on contact@cutecat.finance. Furthermore, let's have a look on their technical information. How it works: an 8% fee is charged for each transaction, and 5% of all sales are sent to the automatic liquidity pool. The other 3% is reflected for CuteCat token holders. Your balance will increase whenever a transaction is made, which is pretty cool. These are the some coding private points. Unruggable, it is the dev has renounced the contract and now the property belongs to the address. The dev that implanted the initial liquidity burned the LP to the address. All liquidity generated is automatically burned to address. Furthermore, the initial burn has been completed. It's you can see the transfer and method IDs are here. LP burns, renounced ownership. Furthermore, let's have a look on the tokenomics. The tokenomics includes 5% auto liquidity on all sales, 3% which goes to the holders, which give you essential profits. The total supply and initial burns are required here. The 50% pancake swap liquidity is 500 billions. Initial liquidity LP with this much amount over 1 BNB. Max amount for trade is 5 billion. The legal disclaimer is shown as the information provided on this website does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other sort of advice. and you should not consider any of the website contents as such. The CuteCat team does not recommend that any cryptocurrency should be bought, sold, or held by you. Do conduct your own due diligence and consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Furthermore, by purchasing CuteCat, you agree that you are not purchasing a security or investment, and you agree to hold the team harmless and not liable for any losses or taxes you may incur. For also agree that the team is presenting the token as it is and is not required to provide any support or services. You should have no expectations in any form from CuteCat and its team. CuteCat is an experimental meme token created as a social experience experiment and a digital currency. You can also have a look on their risk. They have a pretty common and pretty lookable website. They have provided which much information for any user which is in cryptocurrency. If he reads that information, he can get the point. If you like our video, you like this review, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.